In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add a subscribe button watermark to your YouTube videos. If you do find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more YouTube specific content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. The first thing before we even get on YouTube that you need to do is just make sure that you have a subscribe button watermark image ready. If you are interested, this is a pre-made one. All you have to go to is this tab right here, ibb.co/gfcwtgks. This is what I'm going to be using for this video, but obviously you don't have to use the same one. You can use a custom one if you'd like. From here, go ahead and load into YouTube, and from the top right corner of YouTube, click on your profile icon and select YouTube Studio. This is going to pull up your YouTube account. From YouTube Studio, what you're going to want to do is on this left-hand section, you're going to see a customization option. Go ahead and select that just like so. And from here, go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to see an option for branding all the way down at the bottom. This is going to be under the video watermark tab, and you're going to have a section where you can actually enable this. Now, what you're going to want to do first is upload your thing. Mine already has one on here, but in this case, we're going to change it by hitting the change button and then selecting the one that we did just download. Well, you're going to want to resize it just a little bit so it fits on there perfectly. Like something like this is great. Go ahead and hit done once you have it resized, and as you can see, it's going to automatically put it on there. Now, you can have it on there for the entire video. You can have it as a custom start time, just during the end of the video, and it's completely up to you. There's so many settings that you can customize. I personally recommend just keeping it on the entire video, but overall, it really is as simple as that. You've now added a subscribe button watermark to your YouTube videos. This is obviously going to help encourage viewers to subscribe when they are watching your content, and yes, it's going to show up on mobile and on PC, so it's perfect. Just make sure when you're done that you hit publish up at the top, and it's going to save it. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.